So if you don't have a law on cybersecurity, how can you go ahead and insist on AI-driven cybersecurity? Let me take two steps backwards. Do we have a law on cybersecurity? We do not even have a law on cybersecurity in the country. At a time when a dozen plus countries across the world have come up with dedicated laws on cybersecurity, the focus is those countries are saying my national cybersecurity laws are applicable to AI. That's still a step forward. The step backward is, well, most of these national cybersecurity laws were drafted keeping in mind humans. They were never drafted in keeping in mind machines and the ability of the algorithm to break open the cybersecurity of computer systems and networks. And therefore, when you're now looking at cybersecurity in an AI-driven world, one of the key messages on the wall are very clear. The legal, policy, and regulatory issues will have to be dealt with very, very quickly. And that can be done through a variety of permutations and combinations. We can come up with a new law on AI. India is crying for a new law on AI because our approach on AI is not at all adequate to deal with the challenges. If you are expecting a 26-year-old legislation to help us meander the ways of AI, then we are mistaken. The Information Technology Act 2000 was never meant to be an AI law, and it never had provisions which can even be made applicable in the context